What is breathworks? Breathworks is a 4-week process to training the mind, to conditioning the mind. The first week, we go over breath. What is breath? How do we breathe, and what is the science behind breath? So once we learn how to breathe and the power of breath, which helps us regulate our state, helps us relax our body, there's so many benefits behind breath. It improves sleep. It oxygenates our body, our blood cells. It helps increase concentration, which is the first week, which is breath to focus. So the first week we're learning about breath, how to practice, how to breathe properly, and we do a practice called breath to focus. That's the first week. Every Monday, I'll give you the insight, I'll tell you about the practice. And then Tuesday to Friday, we're practicing, only the practice. The first week is only 10 minutes. It's about 8 to 10 minutes. Then the next week is calm mind. We learn about the mind. What is the nature of the mind? What are the default modes of our mind? And how can we learn to observe them and dissolve this fear, anxiety, these limiting states that sometimes hold us back from creating greatness, from performing and becoming champions? So that's the second week. And we go through the practice called Calm Mind. It's about 10 minutes long. Then the next week, we learn about flow. How do we unlock flow? Flow is so important in all aspects of our lives, but especially for athletes in our matches, in our performance, where we're performing, unlocking flow is extremely important because this is when we're able to really move into full focus, full concentration, and connect it to our minds and bodies, realigning them and opening up ourselves with our senses. So we learn what is flow and how can we unlock it. The practice is about 18 minutes long. The fourth week, we go into visualization. Visualization is so important because with visualization, you can learn how to see and manifest your championships, whatever it is that you want to attract in life, but also you want to be able to visualize something that's going bad in your mind as a boxing match or as a soccer match or a tennis match, whatever sport you play, you want to see it going wrong and then fixing it and learning to move through it in your visualization. Visualization is super powerful because the mind does not, our mind doesn't know the difference between reality and thought. So by being able to learn how to visualize vividly, we're able to put ourselves into these moments. So when they happen, we're just going through the movement that our mind has already seen. Visualization is extremely important. So this is the 4 weeks of breathworks. You're learning how to breathe. You're learning how to observe the mind. So you're not no longer indulged by it. You're learning how to unlock flow, and then you're moving into visualization. So every week we're stacking inside and we're increasing in length. So this is breath work. So we're inviting you to be part of this program. And once you fill it out, you will be in the program. You'll receive an email from us with a Zoom link, with the times, all the good stuff. So you know and you're prepared for this program that's starting very, very soon. And I can't wait to meet you. Bye for now.